Hello guys and welcome to another video here on my channel, and this is a very special video because in this video we'll open this mysterious box that arrived from YouTube. Yes, I have absolutely no idea what's inside this box, so I guess let's find it out.
Okay, I have been waiting a lot for this package, like 2 or 3 weeks, and I'm super excited to open it now in this video. Yes, it's the first time that I received something from YouTube and hopefully not the last time, so keep supporting me guys, so in the future we will get even bigger packages. And now let's look what's inside this box.
Let's see what's under the YouTube letter. I think I will take the sheet off in 3, 2, 1. It says, presented to Emmanuel Clayard for passing 100,000 subscribers. Okay, so you can see it's a bit late because we already hit the 300,000 subscribers too. When I first found out that these awards exist, I wanted to get one, and that's why I started this YouTube channel like last summer, and I uploaded this SpongeBob on the same day because I really felt completely motivated to someday get this play button, and we finally did it. So guys, I want to say to every single one of you out there, thank you so much for your love, for your nice comments, for your messages, and for making this dream come true. We finally did it, guys. I guess let's make something with clay.
And what could be better than making a silver play button with clay now? I'm using the last silver clay I had for this, so hopefully it looks good. Now I don't have any silver clay or any golden clay, but that's not a big problem because I don't really need them a lot. The colors I need a lot is black, white, brown, and pale pink for faces. As you can see, I'm also using a tiny piece of aluminum foil because it will look good. Now I'm making like a second layer to just put it at the top of the layer I've already done. Yes. First I was thinking about making a silver play button keychain. But then I decided to like stick a magnet on the back, so it's a magnet. And that's what I am making today, a silver play button clay magnet. Yes, you probably already guessed it. Now in the second layer I'm cutting out this rectangle so we can see the aluminum foil under it, and then I'm just gonna put it at the top of the first layer, like this. But I have to say that I really don't like how this aluminum foil looks inside now, because it looks like someone broke the play button. It should look like a mirror, but it looks like a broken mirror, you know? But anyways, now I'm making the play sign, and I'm just gonna put it in the middle of this aluminum foil. And now I can put the play button in the oven. The clay play button, of course. Yeah, I'm still triggered about this aluminum foil, so I decided to open the play button and remove the aluminum foil and replace it with another one. And let's see how it looks, and it should look better, hopefully. If not, we have to live with it. It was satisfying to open a play button. Okay, now let's quickly remove this broken mirror aluminum foil, and I will put glue on it, on the play button, so I can put a new aluminum foil on it, and then I will glue the play sign on it. And yes, I think it looks good now, like a mirror, as it should be. As you can see, I glued the second layer on the first layer, and yes. Now I will add that writing on the play button with a paint marker, with a white paint marker. And yeah, I'm so sorry, but I focused a lot, so yeah, sadly you can see how I'm adding this, because yeah, my hair destroyed it, I'm sorry. First I didn't want to add this presented to thing, but yes, then I added it because something was missing, And now I'm adding the gloss varnish to make it look even more shiny, and I'm very curious on how it will look. And I have to say, I love how it looks so far. Look at that. I'm adding the gloss varnish at all the other sides too. And now I will need the magnets, as I mentioned before, or better, a magnet, because yes, we just need one magnet. I'm going to glue it at the back of the play button, and yes, that's it. The play button made with clay, and it looks so cool. It shines so cool, just like a real one. I love it. Now I have two silver play buttons, and both look so cool. Cool. I already found a good place to put my play button. I'm going to put it right here, so you guys can see it in all of my videos, and yeah, let's see how it looks. Also, I'm going to put these two lights under it so it looks even better, and yeah, let's try it out. Yes, it looks good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because I will make many more cool sculptures, and yeah, see you next time.